Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning in today. So today I will be talking about the top infusions that you need to regrow your hair. So this is me from some months back. My hair has some gaps and I'm missing some hair in the crown of my head, and I've been trying to regrow it. And I started doing these infusions and I have noticed a lot of difference. It hasn't fully grown back, but I've noticed a lot of progress. So the first natural infusion that I've been using a lot lately is hibiscus infusion. So hibiscus comes from this very vibrant tropical plant called the hibiscus flower. So it's dried and people use it for tea, and it works tremendously for hair growth because of the characteristics of the flower itself. It's very resilient and it helps with strengthening the hair, and its anti-inflammatory properties help to regenerate your scalp. There is a lot of research that you can do on hibiscus. You would find out it has a lot of benefits, and this is one of my top infusions. Number 2 that I've been using is Chebe powder. So there's a lot out there about Chebe powder. This is one that I definitely can attest to. It strengthens the hair, it reduces shedding dramatically. And you can infuse it using avocado oil, you can use extra virgin olive oil, fractionated oil, just to subject the powder to some heat, and then that would help you extract a good amount of the Chebe goodness. So that's one of my staples. I really like Chebe powder. I remember when it came out, everyone was rushing for it. There was this craze out there as well for Chebe powder, and I've shown how you can use it in different ways on this channel, and this is one of the best infusions you can ever use for your hair. I use it to make a paste that I put on the ends of my strands. It just seals in the moisture and it helps the moisture to stay in for longer. And what I do, because I do a direct infusion, so I don't just put the powder in like a tea bag and dunk it into warm oil. No, I warm it up with the Chebe powder itself to extract as much as I can. So the next one is Amla powder. So that one has gotten a lot of press as well in the YouTube community. It is an Indian staple when it comes to hair growth, and I brought this into my regimen. I use it in my deep conditioner, and I have noticed that it's really great for regrowing your hair. And I just infuse it directly into the oil and get out any extras, and it works really great. So here I'm just showing the Chebe powder itself. It is very earthy. It smells just like earth, but I think the benefits are just how it strengthens the hair and just reduces breakage and unnecessary breakage, and shedding is totally reduced when you use Chebe powder. A lot of people on here have gone on Chebe journeys, and it's been really a very successful story so far from what I've heard, and I also incorporated it into my own regimen, and I can definitely attest to the reduced breakage and shedding. I'm able to retain more length since I started using Chebe powder, and I would be keeping you guys updated on these infusions and how I use them to get the best benefit that they provide. So here you can see how I just do a direct infusion into the oil, and that gives a very vibrant grease. So I use Chebe powder to make grease, and it just looks really good and potent, and it just softens my hair once I apply it. So you want to apply the grease when your hair, you can apply when it's damp to help lock in moisture, and some people like to blow dry their hair before they apply the grease. That's totally up to you. It does help with strengthening the hair however you add it on, but using this grease helps lock in moisture, which is really good. So the next one is chamomile tea. So I infuse the herbs. That's the chamomile herbs. So I don't just go buy like a tea bag. I get the herbs and I infuse it into warm water, and I just get very concentrated liquid out of it, and I use it for hair rinses. I use it for spritz, and it's been helping my scalp a lot. So basically, I do not want to have to use steroids and other chemical ingredients to regrow my hair. So I've been using these wonderful infusions. You can see how the chamomile tea, this is pure organic chamomile tea. You can see how vibrant it is. I also use fenugreek seeds. Everyone knows this is a very potent hair growth remedy, and it helps a lot with hair loss. So what I do, I get the seeds and I add some water, and I just apply a little bit of heat, and I allow it to sit for a while, and it just gives out a yellowish water in the end. And I use this, you can use this to make a leave-in conditioner, you can use this as a spritz, but just take note of the high protein content of fenugreek seeds while you're using it. But it softens the hair, it makes the hair really shiny, and just tames thick and frizzy hair. It is a great hair loss remedy, and I would really suggest this if you're struggling with growing out your hair or any bald spots. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope I've helped you in one way or the other. Appreciate you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.